Morning, DC. Good morning, Cloud. How are you?
I have a headache.
That means it's gonna be a good day.
No, it's gonna be a light day for me. I think. I'm really interested in tomorrow and Friday. I expected this drop. Well, hold on. I expected a drop not this aggressive. I think we had tariffs that got put in place today, if I'm not mistaken. So, but
Yeah,
I
today
mean,
was supposed to be the day. The risk. The risk here.
so I might take another short today, but we shall see what the open gives us. Just like you said.
Yeah, because the open, like, the only thing that is different from this open than other opens is how we're dropping in this super cheap box. If we can get, if we get to the bottom of it and past it and stay below it, it's gonna be a one of those crazy, crazy days. Meaning, sharp move. Now let's just see here. That's 300. Okay. Let's change that to this one.
Hey, Cloud, you okay, man?
Yeah, I got a little headache. I got a little headache this morning.
Oh, I hope you feel better soon. I don't know
Oh,
if
I've taken my
you.
medication already, so it's like,
Oh, okay. I don't know
yeah.
if you remember the story. There was a story around this Discord. When I started, it was around that time, and of course, I didn't know as much as I know now. And during the live calls when we had them on Discord, I used to ask questions about everything and anything like a small baby. Why? And then because of why? And then why? And then the moderator on that time, he started having migraines and headaches. And he eventually quit. So I hope that doesn't come
No,
to
I'm
pass
not.
with you.
No quitting.
Okay.
No quitting for me.
I'm not saying it was because of me per se.
You sure?
I mean, the timing is very conspicuous, you know what I mean?
We're about to be opening in a minute and a half. Look alive, you guys. We have factory orders at 10 o'clock. Trump talks today at 4 p.m. We will be long gone by then. Crude oil inventory is at 10:30. $15. I will open, you guys.
Okay, here we go.
Let's go, people.
Ooh, oh my god. Who's that? Hold on a second. What is it? I heard something strange. Hold on. Oh, hold on a second. Let me just put that there for 1 minute. Let's assign something. see here.
Longs look like they want to start printing. I'm not ready yet though. Oh yeah.
I'm trying along.
Hello. We have Adam on the line. Hey, Adam.
Hey, good morning, everybody. Everybody hear me okay?
Oh yeah, loud and clear.
Good deal.
Let's see what we got going on. Let me just put this back on.
Taking a small trim here. 5 points early than it should be, but we have a lot of stuff above us.
Let's see here. Okay, so this can go here now. You can shrink.
Okay.
Someone doesn't like the longs.
I'm so sorry.
Let's see. All right, what do we get going on now?
Okay, 75 points here. Last runner. Let's see.
That's fine. We'll do it today.
Very surprised Cloud is not in it with me.
Sorry, I'm on the phone, but I'm long. But I am on the phone with somebody. Give me a second, you guys.
That's a nice excuse not to call out your trays, don't you think, Mo?
You guys.
100 points hit here. Let's see if we can get view up or 460 anyway, which is a level very important. Mentorship knows why, Excel knows why.
I'm in with you guys, risk free.
Very good, very good, very good.
I'm gonna be taking my first short really soon.
Wow!
Boo.
Yeah, I tried 2 longs before they open. I was risk free right before the bell, but it didn't survive the little move after the bell. So.
No, I know what Adam is saying, because since Cloud and I were against each other for so long during the live, and now we're both in longs. There comes Adam with like, I'm looking for shorts, guys.
No, I loved your long, right? But you know, now it's 100 points away. So this is this is
Almost
either you're long.
150, sir. 150.
Yeah, 150. I mean, it should go higher. Like, you could be in for the whole day with this long. Is the way I mean, it's the way I saw it before the open. But now that we're here, either, you know, my short's going to play out and I'll be able to enter, or I'll just enter along with you later. But you could sit and hold this all day. You should know pretty soon. This market, it should not be like it was yesterday. We should have a directional day today. Let's see.
This is another level of 500 here. I'm sorry, I don't know how to count anymore. What? How many points am I up? I'm up.
Man, that's a great trade if you didn't know. How many points is that again? Oh, yeah.
So this would be a good you clip it for a short, Mo, and then we post it everywhere.
Yeah. Let's move this out of the way.
I keep moving my TP up and it still comes so close. Okay, I'm gonna nah.
Delete the TP. Move the TP to like 19,900. Just get it out of the way.
My chart doesn't scroll that far, but a great trade nonetheless.
Because this is, I mean, either the low of the day is in, or we're going to have a crazy pullback. Right here. Like, this is the spot.
What's that? 4. I think 50 points. I can move my runner to break even. What's the ATR? 35. In a 5 minutes, 35.
Yo, this is definitely a screenshot day, but I do have to leave the house in a little bit, so I won't be able to trade much more with you guys. But the longs, I'm in the longs with DC. I did go long off the weekly low down here. I took my first trim at 400, and I took my second trim at 500 right here, and I'm up a lot.
You're gonna look to hold it for the day.
Yes, I'm gonna. I accidentally took minis, so so I do have 2 minis left on the table right now.
There you go.
But I am trailing one of those. I'm trailing one of those contracts kind of tight.
All right, you got 5 minutes to go, and the first 15 minutes is finished. So this all happened in the first 15 minutes, guys. You can't ask for anything better than this. The market has come up to the area that will decide the rest of the day for us. So if you're not in the long, if you got stopped out before the open like I did, then you're just sitting and waiting, and you have a lot of room higher. There's a lot of room to move up. You know, there's no worry that you missed a move or anything. If the new 15-minute candle opens up and we get back below that 460, then you take the short.
Man, you know, this setup has been happening for the past 2 weeks. The 4-hour forecaster for the freaking win, dude. Wow.
I know. Yep.
Wow.
It's been money. And you know, I really like how DC is using the algo candles, because As soon as those algo candles turned green in that purple box, up we went. For me, I tried to get in a little bit earlier. The candles were still red, and it just stopped me out right before they open. Mo, is that your music?
Yeah,
That is loud.
it is.
Yeah,
I didn't know it was loud. You guys think it's loud?
that's better.
Oh yeah, it's user error.
I have 1 minute left on the table. 1 minute left on the table. I accidentally took this trade with mini instead of micros like I wanted to. Um,
Well, at least it worked out though.
yeah, but the last time this happened to me, I blew 3 of my accounts. This happened to
Yeah.
me last year on Apex, and literally, I thought I bought 10 micros, bought 10 minis. The trade went up like 20 points real quick, and then crashed down. It was a Friday too. I remember it was a Friday,
Mm.
so I'm kind of upset with myself.
Yeah, I get it.
Let me do this. I can turn this on now.
That is loud, man.
What's loud about it?
I don't know. That is like, damn. You did have that peaceful music before. This music is like Adam enter, Adam enter, Adam enter,
Nah,
Adam
that's
enter.
just you, man. Here, you like this stuff.
Oh yeah, that's nice right there. Oh,
That's
super.
old people stuff, Adam. That
Yeah.
shows us
That's-
how old you are. The grandpa,
Oh, shoot.
the grandpa that these stupid loud kids everywhere, and then like,
How can you think with garbage like that? Rah.
If you wanted to enter along because you're not already in it like me, you could enter, and you have to do a 20-point stop though. It's not financial advice; it's just my opinion. I'm not entering. I'll let it go. I'll let this whole move happen, and I'll wait for the 10 a.m. candle. This is very good, guys. You could enter here and join the crowd if you want. It's a 20-point stop. You're looking at around 19,497 is your stop. Again, I'm not entering. I'm not taking it at all. But this is the spot for continuation to the upside. Your entry was, what candle was it that I called it on? 529 was your entry. 19,529. I got another 15 minutes to wait before I even think about a long.
Okay, that's 100 points touched on this runner.
Very nice. Don't.
I didn't take anything. The TP's
yeah.
another 100 points away. My
Okay.
stop loss is at break even, which is 100 points away. So
Got
letting this flow.
200 points hit here.
Man,
There you-
200
there you
points
go.
on the live.
19,667 is the next spot. So if for those that are not up 100 points, if you're not up 200 points, like traders, you could have entered where I called out at 529, and now the market's at 568. That's 100% all indicator based. So if you're brand new to trading, I think it's going to be even easier for you to trade because you can just follow the indicators, learn how the indicators work, follow the indicators. For me, being the discretionary person I am, I just, just gonna wait. Still not as mechanical as I would like to be. So I'll wait till 10 a.m. for the longs, but from 5:29, you enter at 5:29, it's gone up to 5:72. All right, so market hasn't been able to do this all night. This is the first time since the start of the day.
Hey, careful up here. I see some. I see some potential hesitation up here. I don't think. I think we get a slight retracement coming up soon. If you ask me personally.
That'll be good. I like Urshad's post. Perfect. Yeah. Yeah, he points out too. I mean, we had a really nice prove it signal there, Mo, in the purple box too.
Yeah, I don't have that indicator on, but yeah, I mean, if you just look at I have the pinpoint and the trade entry specialist where the candles are. I mean, you take that with the context of the 4 hour, and you got the beginning of this move today.
Yeah.
Let's see what's going on the. There you go. I mean, just like I talked about. So this is the TPO coloring here. You can see it went from red to gray, right off of this support area, this green. Once this bearish trail stop was broken, up we went. Right now we have a little resistance here. We have to see. I mean, I think we're gonna break through it because of how powerful everything is. But this is just like how Cloud called out from what he saw in his chart, from the TWA market structure. You can see why price is kind of halting here for a little bit. But if this one breaks
Hesitating.
down, yeah,
Hesitating.
And then, but if you look at what's right after it, it's another 100 points up. So let's see.
We got another 10 minutes. Let it keep hesitating for 10 minutes.
Hey Adam, if you're not in a trade, check your messages.
Okay. If you're, wanting to get in the trade again, it's 9:51. You can wait, but if you're having too much of an itchy finger and you want to get in, your stop loss has to be at 529 right now. So just kind of think about that. Price at 560. You want to risk 30 points. If you do, go for it. Go ahead and enter now. Get in. Entry candles at 569. We're basically there right now. So, now we're at 578. You would hit 10 points. Boom. And again, that's all indicator based. You can see that I can tell you pretty fast how you can get your TP1 10 points right there ahead. All indicator based, guys. It's just is your is your psyche right? Can you handle that? Can you adjust your risk? Can you adjust your size of your contracts? What's your plan with the 30-point stop? How are you going to handle it?
If we close here, we still have 7 minutes. If we close here, this 4 hour, it's gonna be a huge wick down candle with a small body to the top.
All right, you guys. Since Adam is here, Adam can take my spot. I called the longs with DC this morning. I'm leaving the house. I have to handle some business. See you guys tomorrow.
Yeah, I called them. You were on the phone. Yeah, that's good.
I've literally been on the phone, since 9 this morning. I wanted to take another trade off my level of 490 498 slash 500 when we bounce off VWAP. Back when I said the retracement could be coming, but I didn't take it because I was on the phone. But but I'm done for the day. Honestly, I'm happy with my profits. I have one mini store running right now. It's up
Congrats,
almost 200
man.
points. Yeah, 200 points right now. So yeah, one mini up 200 points. I have a stop loss at 100 points.
Let's go.
I'll post in the Discord my charts and everything like that. And one thing I will say, this long I took this morning is similar to the same longs I took yesterday 2 or 3 times off the weekly low in the super cheap box. Remember what I said about the weekly and monthly levels that I like to play off of? Played it off, took my first trim at a monthly level of 401, took another trim at 500, and now I'm in runners. All right, you guys.
All right.
Have a good one.
Good trading, Cloud. Let's see how much time we got. 5 minutes to the new 4 hour. I love how the pullback is already down to the bottom. It's awesome. I would really love it if the TPO would turn green. Probably in the next 4-hour candle.
Coming your way in the next 2 minutes.
Before I hop in the shower, we do have news at 10 o'clock, you guys. Be on the lookout for that. And we are at a key level from the overnight session right here. Six if 604 if 600 604 is able to hold, we can potentially see another leg up. I don't see it happening just yet. I see it's happening a slight retracement, slight pullback. But if 600 can hold, look for another leg up. I'm going for real this time.
He'll be back in 5. See, what people don't know is that all over clouds where he lives, there's screens. So he can't look anywhere without seeing the screen. He's got one of those fancy mirrors that's also a screen.
Oh, damn.
Okay,
Oh,
here we
one more
go. We got participation picking up. I can see it on the DOM. And we got a new 4-hour.
Here we go. Okay, your entry could be at 557. Again, I'm not entering anything. You're being 10 points of drawdown, you're out. So that would be it. That would be a losing trade there. About 13-point loss. Well, I'll let you guys know when I actually can enter. It's another entry at 560. I'm not going to take again. There you go, 13 points up right there.
All right, 150 points touched.
All right, we're at 604 right now.
I told you. I told you. I told you. I called it.
I'm moving my stops up on my runners.
I called
I'm
it.
leaving.
I called
I'm not
it.
even here. This is a ghost. I'm not even here.
I
This is a
called.
ghost.
I told you he has those screens in the mirrors.
We have
people.
green
I'm
candles. We
telling
have
you.
green candles right now as well too.
I'm in. My stop's at 582.
Next,
Let's go, Adam.
Next, he's calling us from the car. Hey guys, I'm on the highway. Just to let you know, this train is up.
Hey, when you have a trade like this that runs like this, you have to focus on a little bit, you know. So I'm moving my stops up. I'm locking in 200 points. Stops at 500 now.
We're looking for 19754.
This one I pulled the cloud and didn't call it. I'm long on another account. 60 points up.
Let me just see.
I was on the phone. Okay, I was on the phone. I was giving out trades for my private signal room.
Oh, you know, I didn't even see that this long started from my possible lower day. Wow. All right. Okay.
Let me see, Mo, if I can do this. Click it. Okay, I can't. Okay, oh, can I do it this way? No, I can't. It doesn't let me. I don't know if you can post this, Mo. I just put it in our group chat. But that's 4 minutes before the open. The major thing is that, you know, we knew as a group that it should be a directional day. You know, that's the key. That's the key.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Let me see.
I wish I wish I didn't get stopped out right before the open, but you know, that's life. That happens. So the trade that I got in, guys, the risk was only $165, and the trade's up 460.
I'm gonna put on the screen right now so everybody can see what Adam was talking about in the Discord.
Nice.
You can see it right there. Called it at 9:26 a.m. This is why you need to be in this Discord. Then you have these
Thank you,
tools.
sir.
Then there's education with it. You missing out.
Ah, that wick. I was really hoping we would see 620 break down there. Now I gotta feel some pain. Mechanical exit would be at 19,600. I'm not going to exit, but if you're a newer trader and you wanted to be 100% mechanical, you would have taken profit at 602. That would have been about 22 points of profit. So. I'll be out of the trade at 585 for a 160 buck lot. So if it hits 585, I'll be out.
Okay, where is this?
Good, ATR is 25. Pretty nice move.
The bottom of our forecasters on small was at 694.
Yeah.
Out of that long.
Somebody's very against Adam being out of the long.
Right.
Somebody who doesn't know the price.
If we stay below 583, then that could be it. So
553.
once we're above 583, I'll look long again. Be the last trade for me for a long.
I'm securing 100 points here.
Next, the only other long I'll take is at 513, 510. I'll take it there. And then after that, it'll be all shorts.
There we go. Very nice trade. Let's see. So it's funny, right? So I wrote down like a basically my own scaling plan, so I can have a little more structure to like how many contracts I use and stuff like that. And one of my targets is let's say P&L wise is like 280 to 500 per week, right? In the beginning, phase one. That's 1 or 2 micros. I basically hit half of the max of that target just in today's trade alone. Just 2 micro trade. This was a 2 micro trade. Oh, that was.
Love
You
it.
can you can take it easy for the rest of the week. Not
Yeah.
You don't need to put so much pressure on yourself.
Mm-mm.
Okay.
This is it, Adam. This is it.
Yes, sir. Let's see.
A lot. Shut up. A lot of stuff should hold here.
He's like, be quiet. Don't say anything. Just.
Probability wise.
If it doesn't, then longs are done for the day now. We're gonna go all the way back to 320. Because we gotta do shorts. We have to run shorts. We have to clip it and get it out to everybody.
Wow. Okay.
Yep.
Yeah, that's a change right there.
If you want to enter short, your stop's got to be at 544. I would wait, but yeah, I would like to take a long if we were holding above 513.
Last chance.
I'm not ready. Yeah, I'm not ready to take a short yet, but I'm just watching 513 right now. You know. Did I say take a short? I said take a long, right?
You said last chance for a long, yes.
Okay, good. Yeah, so there we are. We're back above 513, so that's what we're looking for. great spot to look to get in. I'll let you know when I'm in. I would truthfully, I would already be in if the algo candles were green.
On the 15 second? No.
Yeah, on the 10-second.
Mm-mm.
Yeah, I would already be in the trade if they were green.
But that's a sign, isn't it?
Yeah, it sure is. Sure is.
So what? Do you have it stacked, like the algo candles on one area and the trigger on the other?
Yeah, pinpoint. Yeah. I mean, it just, you got to know what type of trader you're on. For me, I don't like entering a ton. So it's like, it's kind of unfortunate because like I did earlier on the call, I mean, I could give you 10 points almost every call out, but I don't want to enter a bunch. So the algo candles, I put them back on after DC kept posting them, and I was like, yeah, they definitely do help you with short-term direction, and they definitely help you with being more patient. So I can see how they would help me take lesser trades. So it's like, let's keep these on. Because like Mo, your big day today with the 2 micros. My best days are when I take as little entries as possible and they just run. So then you just close up shop. So the more entries I take, the worse I feel. Even if it's a green day, you just feel like shit. Yeah.
I mean, looks like it seems like they drain you more mentally than other people.
Mm-hmm. I think it's because a lot of people trade on props.
That's a big part, yes.
Earthshot's funny. I like that magic lamp.
I should have. I think I got the settings right.
Oh.
So DC, do you have your algo candles on the 30 or the 15? For you? No. That means I have to pay for this information.
Not gonna answer that on YouTube Live.
Oh. Told you I have to pay for it.
Some things
Stay.
are free, some things are.
Alright, so this.
So we're gonna start a Patreon to figure out.
But no, because now in the space, let's say, you want to take somebody's mentorship, is like 5K. That's the normal. It's whether they teach you or they don't, it's 5K, right? Mine is not 5K, so I'm reasonable.
I am in the long right now.
That's a lot of Wagyu steaks, though.
My stop
They're
right
pretty
now
expensive.
is 9 points. I'm looking for a price to get to 570 here.
Let's go, Adam. 5 what? 570?
I want to get to 570 so I can start to feel a little comfortable in this. I don't like that wick.
A little ambitious.
Wick went to 68. I'm gonna be out at 19,541. That's where I'll be out at. Once we're above that 570, I'm gonna feel pretty good. There we go. Come on. All right. Come on. Stay above 570. All right. Going to break even right now. Out right at break even.
Man, you know what's cool about that? Like, that whole time, the pinpoint trigger candles had the dots on top of price.
Mm-hmm.
Whenever I see that, that's my pause button.
Yeah, it's good. All right. Let's try it one more time. Looking for 570, break and hold. Stops at 540 right now.
Oh, I got stopped out. That sucks.
Yeah.
I just got the shower. I just brushed my teeth. I'm leaving the house. I am leaving. I'm walking out of my house right this second.
How you feeling? You okay?
I thought you were there. I thought you were
Well,
at your,
how's it?
where you needed to be already.
Sit.
No,
Okay.
that 600 level which is also a previous daily close, and it couldn't really hold as well as I thought. I at least thought we could at least get to like 640, 650, the previous daily high at least before we had any rejection. And the news came out kind of. Let me see, was it positive or negative? Let's see. I mean, it's more than it's more than
Thank
forecasted. Like previous.
There we go. Thank you very much.
All right. Let you and Adam take over, you guys. All right, I'm done for real. Bye.
I'm not taking over. I'm getting ready to leave myself. I'm just here because you want me here, man.
Adam,
Yeah.
we appreciate it, and we appreciate it.
Yeah. No problem.
The more
no
head
problem.
you have
Come
on
when
the
I
chart,
can.
I don't know. I mean, the first time you're on the call, like that's over 200-point trades for people. I'm just saying. I'm just.
Hey, bro, I've been telling him this. This is why I've been telling him to get on the call. Whenever he's on the call, we hit like 200-300 points every time. But Adam wants to catch all his points by himself. Hey, Adam, do you want to talk about the Excel program that?
That happened again.
Hey, Adam.
Hey, go ahead.
Mo, do y'all want to talk about the Excel program that we have that kind of takes a mentorship to the next level?
I mean, I could tell you this right now. So I've taken the mentorship. That brought me to novice to consistent trader. This Excel program that I'm in presently right now, has already given results where it not only it's enhancing how I see the context in the market, but the moves that I'm able to catch because it's built on top of what we did in the mentorship. Holy cow! Like that's never been so comfortable to sit in an over 100-point trade in my life. Once the Excel program started to kick in and I'm understanding more and more of it. So if anybody out there wants to be a part of it, the first thing is sign up for the mentorship. We got plenty of teachers here who can show you how to do it. And then, after that, you want to try to hop in the Excel. You got to bring your questions though. Don't just view from the outside. You got to bring your questions, because that's the only way you're really gonna absorb what is being shown to you.
If anybody wants to join, your stop has to be at 57. This is, guys, there's no more longs after this. This is it. There's no reason to have to take another long. You can sit in this thing all day. I shouldn't say that. You can sit into at least noon, for 2 hours. You should really be able to enjoy it. My daughter's at home sick. I'm going to take a full exit at 19.616.5. That'll be my exit. That'll give me $1,000, and I will take that. And call it. But this is a much better day than yesterday. I'm happy that the Excel kind of allowed people to see that today would be an easier day to trade than yesterday. Evident in everybody's results. So let's see if before I get off the call we can hit 19.616.5 and call it a day for myself. I expect it to get to 19.690 area. That's the top of the forecaster. But if this long doesn't run here, don't take any more longs. The boxes are not stacked. It's better to just go ahead and call it for the longs. There's no reason why it's not holding above 583. So 583 is your invalidation at this point. 583 should be holding nicely. Then we hit the 615. Then we hit the 690, etc. If it's not going to stay above 583, go ahead and start playing your shorts. Looks like it's not going to give it to me. All right, I am out. It came within 16 points of giving it to me and reverse back. I'm gonna have to call it a day myself, guys. But have a great day. Take care.
Okay, take care.
Thanks, Adam. Bye. Mo, do you think we bagged enough points to call it?
Yep. It's 10:30. I'm ending the stream now. I'm gonna lock myself out. I'm gonna keep my points and trade again tomorrow. So, just a little recap. Cloud, myself, and DC. We took longs, bagged a ton of points, and now we are ending our morning off green. Anything in closing, DC?
I don't know, man. I'm just busy counting my points. There are a lot for today.
All right. Well, there you have it. And you heard Adam today called a bunch of trades just off of indicators. So today was a really good day for Cloud, for DC, Adam. My name's Moji, and we will see you all tomorrow. Take care, everybody.
Bye, guys.